Remember being a kid? Making a friend was as simple as sharing a juice box or declaring, "You're my best friend now." Ah, the good old days. But now you're an adult, and making friends can feel like trying to assemble IKEA furniture with no instructions and a missing Allen key. Where do you even start? You look around and it seems like everyone already has their squad. Their group chat is popping and you're just there. Well, fear not, my fellow socially awkward but awesome human. Today we're cracking the code on how to make friends after 18, and I promise it's less painful than you think. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. It feels weird. Putting yourself out there as an adult feels vulnerable. What if they don't like you? What if you say something stupid? What if they realize you still watch cartoons in your pajamas? Spoiler alert. They probably do too. The truth is most adults are in the same boat, quietly wishing someone would come up and talk to them. So the first step is a mindset shift. You're not a weirdo for wanting connection. You're a completely normal human being. All right, mindset adjusted. Now where are these potential friends hiding? They're not going to just apparate into your living room while you're binge watching that new series. You have to go where the people are. Think about your interests. No, seriously, what do you actually enjoy doing? Do you like books? Join a book club. Even if you don't meet your soulmate, you'll at least have people to argue with about whether the movie was better. Love to sweat? Try a new fitness class, a hiking group, or a local running club. The shared suffering of a brutal workout is a fantastic bonding agent. Maybe you're into something a bit more niche, like competitive cheese rolling or historical reenactments. Guess what? There's a group for that. Use websites like Meetup, check community center bulletin boards, or search for local groups on social media. The key is to find activities you genuinely like. That way, even if you don't immediately click with anyone, you're still having fun. You're filling your own cup, and people are naturally drawn to someone who is enjoying their life. It's a win-win. Don't just go to a bar and stand in the corner hoping for the best. Be intentional. Go to a trivia night at the bar, a board game cafe, or a live music event. Having a built-in activity takes the pressure off. Now let's talk about the actual making friends part. You've shown up. You're there. Now what? You have to talk to them. I know, groundbreaking, but how? Start small. The compliment and question combo is your secret weapon. Hey, I love your tote bag. Where did you get it? Or wow, you really nailed that last yoga pose. Have you been coming to this class long? It's simple, non-threatening, and opens the door for a conversation. You're not asking for their hand in marriage. You're just asking about a tote bag. Remember to be a good listener. Ask open-ended questions that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. Instead of, do you like hiking? Try, what are some of your favorite trails around here? People love to talk about themselves and their interests. Show genuine curiosity. And please, for the love of all that is good, put your phone away. Nothing screams "don't talk to me" louder than being glued to your screen. Be present in the moment. Make eye contact. Smile. You'd be amazed how far a simple, warm smile can go. Okay, so you've had a nice chat. The event is ending. How do you take it from pleasant one-time interaction to potential friendship? This is the crucial moment. You have to make the move. It can be as simple as, "It was really great talking to you. A few of us are grabbing coffee after this. Would you like to join?" Or if you're not that bold yet, try, "I really enjoyed our conversation. Are you on Instagram? I'd love to connect." This is the adult version of asking for someone's number on the playground. It's a low-pressure way to stay in touch. And once you have their contact info, you have to follow up. A friendship won't magically blossom from a single interaction. Send them a message a day or two later. "Hey, it was great to meet you at the book club. What did you think of the ending?" Or be proactive. "I'm planning on checking out that new taco place we talked about this weekend. Let me know if you're free and want to join." The key is to be the initiator. Don't wait for them to reach out. Most people are passive not because they don't like you, but because they're also afraid of rejection. Be the brave one. Let's also talk about the workplace. You spend a huge chunk of your life with your colleagues, so they're a prime source of potential friendships. Now, I'm not saying you need to be best friends with everyone in your office, but being friendly can open doors. Start with the small stuff. Ask about their weekend and actually listen to the answer. Eat lunch in the break room instead of at your desk. Be the person who suggests grabbing a happy hour drink on a Friday. These small gestures can build camaraderie and turn a coworker into a genuine friend. But what if you try all this and it doesn't work right away? What if you go to a meetup and feel like you don't click with anyone? That's okay. Making friends is a numbers game, kind of like dating, but with less pressure to shave your legs. Not every person you meet is going to be your new best friend, and that's perfectly fine. Don't get discouraged. The goal isn't to collect friends like Pokemon cards. It's about finding genuine, quality connections. It might take time. You might have to go to 10 different pottery classes before you find someone who gets your sense of humor. And remember to be yourself. Don't pretend to love rock climbing if you're terrified of heights just to fit in. The best friendships are built on authenticity. The right people will like you for who you are. Weird hobbies, pajama habits, and all. Let your personality shine. If you're a goofy person, make a joke. If you're a deep thinker, ask a thoughtful question. Trying to be someone you're not is exhausting, and it will only attract people who like the fake version of you. Finally, be patient and kind to yourself. Building a solid social circle as an adult is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires effort, vulnerability, and a little bit of courage. But the reward, having people in your life who you can laugh with, lean on, and share those juice boxes with, is totally worth it. You've got this. Now go out there and find your people. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to navigate this weird, wonderful thing called adulting. Let me know in the comments your best tip for making friends as an adult. I'd love to hear it. See you next time.